What would you do if a company's own engineers accidentally showed you exactly what they've been hiding? That's not a hypothetical. That's what happened to OpenAI 3 times in 1 week. Look, I've covered enough AI product cycles to know the difference between a calculated leak and a genuine screw-up. What happened with GPT-5.4 starting February 28th was the real thing. A pull request in OpenAI's public codex GitHub repo showed up with version strings that weren't supposed to be public. The team noticed, force pushed to scrub it, and figured that was that. It wasn't. 4 days later, a second codex pull request surfaced. This one with an actual function call using GPT-5.4 as the model argument, plus a slash command explicitly labeling a fast mode for GPT-5.4. Then an OpenAI engineer named Tibwa posted and quickly deleted a screenshot showing GPT-5.4 sitting right there in the model selector. And on March 3rd, Alpha GPT-5.4 briefly appeared in a public API model's endpoint before vanishing. OpenAI's response? 3 words on X. Asterisk 5.4 sooner than you think. Asterisk that post got 4.5 million views. I think they knew exactly what they were doing. Now here's where it gets interesting. What the leaks actually say. The codex commits reference a 2-million token context window. That's not a typo. 2 million. For perspective, GPT 5.3 shipped with 256K. Google's Gemini 2.5 Pro, which OpenAI's team has clearly been watching, sits at 1M. So if this ships as leaked, GPT 5.4 doubles the current leader overnight. There's more. Full resolution image handling, original PNG, JPEG, WebP bytes, no compression, no downsizing. If you've been building vision pipelines and hitting quality walls, this matters a lot. The leak code also shows a multi-tier inference system, a fast mode toggle implying you can route calls by latency priority, not just model capability. Then there's what the information reported separately, an extreme thinking mode. We already have low, medium, and high reasoning effort in the API. Extreme suggests the model can run significantly longer inference passes on hard problems. We're potentially talking hours of compute on a single query for the right use case. Honestly, for agentic coding tasks and complex research chains, that's not overkill. That's the point. Here's my actual take. I think GPT 5.4 isn't just an incremental update. I think OpenAI is making a deliberate architectural move to own the long context, high-effort reasoning tier before anyone else can. The 2M context window isn't about chat. It's about ingesting entire code bases, full legal documents, multi-year research corpora. That's enterprise money. And the pricing already on OpenRouter, $2.50 per million input tokens, $20 per million output, tells you exactly who they're selling to. For developers, the playbook here is straightforward. If you're building on GPT 5.2 right now, keep it as your baseline. When 5.4 drops, route a small percentage of traffic there first. Run your eval suite. Promote only when your own benchmarks confirm it. Don't trust the hype. Trust your test suite. One more thing. Prediction markets put a GPT 5.4 release by April 2026 at 55% probability, and by June at 74%. Given OpenAI's own cryptic tweet, I'd lean toward the April window. Drop your hottest take in the comments, especially if you're a developer already planning your GPT 5.4 migration. And subscribe if you want more deep dives like this, because this story is moving fast, and I'll have updates the minute something official drops.